Caden, can you go get my book bag?
I'm your maid with everything.
Okay, that burp, that was real, believe it or not. But I don't know if it's real too.
Did you just take that marker? Okay.
No!
Just clean.
Go my book bag, not to my binder. Get your hands off me. What is that? The fart? It's a ring pop?
That's a gloss.
Let me see. Where'd you get it from? The cart?
No, treasure. Box. For making my egg.
Alyssa! What? I didn't mean to.
There.
Gymnasts are too strong. Let me get some.
It's lip gloss. It ain't gonna show up.
Don't taste.
It says taste.
Tastes like dookie.
It says flavor.
Tastes like dookie.
Okay, then it has a flavor, dum dum.
A dookie flavor. I don't know who would want to buy like
The queen.
kiss my finger. You want to see what I have to do for homework? This is what I have to do for homework. I have to finish writing down some notes. I showed them the wrong side. Mom, I can't stop burping. I'm like that one man that couldn't stop. Like it's non-stop. And that girl's like back there photobombing me to be like, get out of my shot! Caden, swear man, I
This is how you clean your photo.
And this is how you hit the girl.
Ow.
I'm kidding. For real though, you need to shut your pie hole before I shut it for you.
This is all I got. This is all I got.
What are they? I don't give a crap.
I need to look through this. I don't care about this.
I don't care about this. And I'm doing different colors because I have to go on the other side and I have to get the freaking paper that I have to copy.
Yes, I care about
This, I have to copy all of this down in my notebook. What really sucks, donkey balls. Look. All about me. Caden House. Age, 8. This is me. This is what Caden did. Looks like a pizza. Blue. Her favorite color is blue. That's my favorite color. No, my favorite color is neon blue, neon orange, and
Okay. Go
neon
food
yellow.
now.
Favorite fruit is grapes. My favorite animal is puppies. My favorite animal is puppies and what are they? Kittens. Favorite book, Wizard of Oz. Ow! What's up?
Not favorite hatred.
Copy all this down. I'm at crap, where am I at? Show the absolute location.
I hate this paper.
So I'm right here right now. I'm about to start writing that. And then I have all like, honey boo boo, why you making me do all this cream? Like you suck donkey balls. Here I go. I'll show you when I'm done. So I got another sentence done. That is not my real handwriting. I will do my regular handwriting with this pen. Because, yeah. But anyways. Now. Here we go. So I did mess up on the word geography, but that is my real handwriting. Swear to God, that is my real handwriting. I'm not making anyone write this. Swear to God, I hand on Mom's word. I'll even write right now with the camera on. No crap. I really
my
don't.
folder.
And they don't care.
Yeah, obviously I care.
Okay, well they don't care, but you care. Sorry. Don't think you cool. Okay.
That's still mine. I was just showing you that.
Dude, I've already seen this.
Oh yeah, I'm giving it back.
I can't stop burping. No.
Crowdy crap. Oh, my book's right there. I'm stupid. What's in there? Darnation. Oh, it's my book bag. That's what was in there, but it was just my book bag. Oh, poopy.
What?
Well, if I'm not back at school.
Really?
But no one's going to go.
That's it so far? Ooh! Stop.
I was using it for a minute.
Development like farming.
Jacksonville poopy.
What was so funny?
Jacksonville poopy. I said Jacksonville poopy store. I laughed.
Art took place. Done.
Ew.
Ooh, hey, ooh, hey. And now I have
Kiss
to
the
write something. Wait it!
Finger.
Stop. Stop. And now I'm ready.
Crap.
What?
My darn thing fell down.
Priest. And rulers. It's one of the definitions. Blah, 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 blah.
Actually, that means more of that.
That is it. So goodbye.